Hello, dear students. This is Joshi's online study hub, and you all students are heartily welcome behalf of Omkar English Medium School. In our some previous lecture, we have find mean, mode, and median. That all thing we have discussed already. But have you not that previous all the questions were the continuous class interval? Okay, but if continuous class interval is not given, now you will say, sir, what is continuous class interval and what is not continuous class interval? Then in this question, we have to see these things that if continuous class interval is not given, then how to find the median of any question of any data. Then this is standard 10th, chapter number 14, statistic, exercise number 14.3. And today in this lecture, we have to see question number 4. Let's start. Here, the length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter. Okay. So this is the length in millimeter. 118 to 126, 127 to 135, and so on up to 172 to 180. But here, as you can see, this is not continuous class interval. Now you will ask me, sir, what is that? Okay, so here as you can see, 118 to 126, then here 127 to 135 is going to be start. It is not like that. 118 to 126 and 126 to 135, it is not like that. It is not like that. So here what I have written these things, okay, it's called continuous class interval. Means here the upper limit and the lower limit of the next data both should be same. So it's called continuous class interval. But as you can see here, this is not like that. Okay, then it's called this is not continuous class interval. Now the problem with this type of data is, for example, here the smallest leaf is 118 millimeter. Okay, this is the smallest leaf, and the biggest, the tallest leaf is 180 millimeter. Now it is also possible now that some leaves can length can be 126.5 millimeter. It is also possible. Then this 126.5 millimeter you will include, you will consider in which class interval? This, no, it is up to it is over up to here on 126, and this is beginning from 127, then 126.5 you will measure where, in which class interval. So this is the problem. Then what to do? Then here hint is given, as you can see. But remember, in exam hint will not come. Okay, they will just directly they will give you question, hint they will not give. Okay, then here what we have to do, this type of class interval we have to make. This type of means the continuous class interval we have to make. Then what to do to make it continuous? 0.5 we have to subtract from lower limit. Okay, 0.5, 0.5 from lower limit, and that 0.5 we have to add in upper limit, because as per rule of mathematics we cannot change any data as ourselves. Then 0.5 we have to subtract, and that 0.5 again we have added, so that data is remained same. So this thing we have to apply, so the interval will become continuous. Okay, so which type of data we will get here? See, this is 180, so if 0.5 you will subtract, so 117.5 will come, and if you will add here 126, so 126.5 will come. Okay, so this is now our lower limit, and now this is our new upper limit as well. As here 127, 0.5 if you will deduct, then 126.5, and here 135.5 will come. Okay, so this type of new data will come. So this thing we have to apply for the all the rows, all the data. So for that I am going to use the new slide. So which type of data will come? Let me write here. So I will write here length. Okay, means the class you can write. Okay, length is in millimeter, is in millimeter, and Number of leaves. Okay, number of leaves. So I will just write fi, number of leaves. Okay, so you can write directly fi also, and then what will come? Cf, cumulative frequency will come. Then which data I have just explained in just my previous slide. So I will write down that all data using that procedure, with that logic. I will write down this data. So first will come 117.5 to 126.5, 126.5, then 126.5 to 135.5. Okay, 135.5. See, that is not possible to maintain this all thing in single slide here, because as you can see, okay, this is already covered. Okay, it has already covered too much place. So that I have used the next slide, so that all these things what I have written here, you can see clearly and in such a big font in your mobile screen. Okay, because you have a mobile, that screen is already very much limited, so that I have used a new slide for your convenience. Now next will come 135.5 to 153.5, 153.5, and as it is 153.5, again 150, sorry, 153, yeah? 153.5 to 162.5, 162.5. Next 162.5 to 171.5, 171.5, and the last but not least 171.5 to 180.5. Okay. See, these things I can remove in my editing portion, but I just want to show you all these things, how to calculate one sum and how much time it takes, so that you people can also realize that in exam how much time you have to spend in each question to get 3 marks. Okay, like this. Then the next one, number of leaves now we have to write. So the all data we'll write down as it is. Okay, this data 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2 we'll write down as it is. So 3, then 5, and 9, 12. Okay, 9, 12, and 5, 4. Okay, 5, 4, 2. 1 minute, wait. 12, 5, 4, 2. Okay, 5, 4, 2. And now for cumulative. Okay, as you all know, 3 as it is, and then this number we have to add, means the next frequency you have to add in present frequency. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, directly I'm going to write how this come. You can, you if you want to mention, then you can mention how this come. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Okay, then 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5. Okay, sorry, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8 is equal to 17, like that. Okay, so I will write down 12 plus 17, so 29, as well as 34, 38, and 40. Okay, 34, 38, and 40, last one. 38 plus 2 is 40. Okay, like this. So this is how this come. 12 plus 17, 29 plus 5, 34 plus 4, and 38 plus 2. Okay, like this it is come. The now thing is that which is our median class, we have to decide which is our median class. So here total frequency is 40. Okay, so here n is equal to 40. You can see now here in question. Okay, otherwise if you add, okay, the last one, that is n. So n is equal to 40, so n by 2 is equal to 20. And median class, how we can decide? It should be nearest but greater. Okay, nearest but greater, and that is 29. See here, actually nearest is 9 17, but 17 is not greater than 20, means n by 2. Okay, by n by 2 it is not greater than. So which one is greater? 29 is greater, so that 29 is, this is our median class. Okay, this is our median class. And now we have to perform all the formulas and all these things in this class. Okay, now it is very much easy to find. Then median's formula will apply. Okay, what is median? So that is n by 2 L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So all data I will write down first. Okay. So L is what? L is, if you don't know this all these things, so you should see my previous lectures, my previous video. Okay, downside of this lecture, my all previous video automatically it will shown, so you should see my some previous lectures. So in my every particular lecture, you just using thumbnail you can see about which topic this lecture is. So you should see that lecture and automatically you will get all these things, because right now in this lecture I'm not going to take some basics, what is L, N by 2, CF and all. Okay, so I have already taken this in my previous lecture, so you should see that video first. Then now again back to point. So L is equal to what? L is equal to lower limit of the median class. So this is our median class. So lower limit of median class is 144.5. So here I will mention L is equal to 144.5, lower limit of median class, and n by 2 here I have just right now done. So n by 2 is equal to 20. Now H here interval is 9. Okay, so, if you remove this thing 117.5 minus 126.5 from the upper limit, lower limit you have to deduct, otherwise minus in decimal, in minus negative term answer will come, and that cannot be minus. Okay, so from the bigger number you have to remove the smaller number, or in other words if says from the upper limit you have to remove lower limit. So here if you will deduct, so H you will get 9. Okay, and now what about CF and F? Okay, CF is what? Cumulative frequency, preceding frequency of cumulative frequency, so that is 17. Okay, cumulative frequency of preceding median class. So CF is equal to 17, and what is your F? F is your frequency. Okay, frequency of median class. So here F is equal to frequency of median class, means this we have to consider. So that is F. And if you substitute all this value here, okay, so L is equal to 144.5 plus n by 2 is equal to 20. 20 minus CF 70. 20 minus 70. So 3 will remain. Okay, directly I am going to write here 3 upon F. F is equal to 12 and H is equal to 9. Okay, 9. So 144.5 plus 3 forza. Okay, 3 forza. So 9 by 4. 9 by 4 will come. Okay. I can use next slide, but I think easily I can write here all these things. So in this page only question will be completed. Answer will be complete. Okay. So if you add, okay, 9 by 4, if you divide, so 2.25 will come. How this come? Top side and downside you should multiply with 25. Why 25? So that denominator 4 into 25, so 100 will come. So easily you people can identify. Okay, so actually this thing you have to perform yourself. Okay, 9 divided by 4, 9 divided by 4, 4 2s are 8, 1 0. Okay, 2.4 2s are 2, again 8, and again 2, 4 5s are 2.25. Like this also you can do. Okay, it is a different method for all peoples. I will do myself, like in my style, you will do in your style. So 2.25 plus 144.5 plus 2.25. So if you will add this thing 144.5, so finally one, I'm going to write here in blue pen, 146.75. This answer you will get if you will add this both these things. Okay, if you will add, so 146.5 you will get, no, 0.75 you will get. So this is your answer, and this is the median class 146.75. Then thus I have completed this question. Okay, fourth question. And still you people are new in this channel, then don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Stay connected with us. Next question, question number 6. 5, actually that is so easy, so 5 will not make like this question only, like you have to solve fifth question. So like sixth question. Okay, in sixth question I will upload soon. Stay connected with us, tune with us. Thank you.